Alrighty troops, took a wee break for YouTube there, 6 days or so, no filming workouts, still working out but just taking the stress of working out on YouTube away. Sometimes you need to just get a wee break, give the head a wee rest, and just go back to basics, do your own stuff, forget about people watching, just kinda go back to the essence of training, which is the battle that lurks within. So today I'm just going to go for a simple routine, simple burpee routine, the old classic Iron Wolf foundational fitness. This was the first workout that ever took me by surprise. This was the first workout, the first Iron Wolf workout that just blew my mind and went, holy crap, how do I deal with this? So I think the first time I got it was 56 minutes or so, and I think the second time I took a good few minutes off that. I don't really remember, but this is a program I like to go back to periodically. You should always have these workouts that you go back to periodically just to assess time, see what the progress that you've made and how you're getting on with your burpee journey. So what we go for is 25 1 pumps, 25 2 pumps, 25 3 pumps, 25 Navy Seals and 25 5 pumps, 2 rounds. Simple program. I've got the wee man in the other room, so watching him, he might be a wee bit weepy, he's kind of wanting a wee bit of interaction and so forth, so I'll try and get this done as quickly as possible. We train hard, we just train, we get our heads down, we do our burpees and we get back to life. That's just the way we roll in the burpee community. You should know this by now. Anyway, enough time for talk, man. Let's just get this done. Headband is going on. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh. Two pumps. One. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Three pull-ups. Woo! 1. 2. 3. 4. What are you doing? 5. Oh, easy. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Hold on. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. I've got to change a nappy here. Can you believe that? I've got to change a nappy. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hey you. You are stinking. There you go. Do. Well done. Yay. Alright, apologies for that. However, for proof, one change nappy and it's stinking at the house. Alright, 25 Neil. Come on, you're interrupting this. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 15. He's had luck today. 16. You alright? Twenty. Yeah. Woo. Whew. 21. Yeah. 22. 23. 24. 25. 1. 3. 4. 5. 'This video is a disaster. Six. 7. 8. 9. 9. Oh. 10. Jesus. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 25. Right, one round. So one round, 24 minutes in, take away about 4 minutes off that for a nappy change and a talk at the start. Oh, that's tough, man, but both back keeps grinding. Alright, let's go 25 1 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You alright, pal? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25. Okay. Right, on to the hard stuff now. 3 pumps. This is where it gets tricky. Oh. Right, man. Mirror check. Flex my guns. Oh, this is how we do. Come on. Let's roll. Come on, wee man. Come and watch your daddy burpees. Come on. Come on, watch how it's done, wee man. Woo. Alright, let's get on to the hard stuff. Let's go into the hard liquor. Alright, let's go, wolf pack. Salute to the Iron Wolf. Let's go. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. Oops a daisy. Wee man. Hiya. Ah. You laughing at your daddy? 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Ah. Ooh. All right, man, let's do this. 5 more reps, and we're going to do really hard stuff. 21. 22. 23. 24. If you go there. 25. Yeah. Oh man, right, 5 maybe, so we're going 5s. Hard stuff. Let's go! I am pumped up for this, man. Halfway through I was like, I'm stopping this. Always the excuses coming into the head, but you know what? Let's roll, man. Let's roll, let's get through the pain. I'm in a dark place. Come join me. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Ooh. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Right man, the time for talk is over. Sixteen. 17. 18. 19. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Yeah, 42. My God. Alright, last round. Last round. Woo! Last round. Let's do this. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 15 left, man. This is tough. Where we at? What are you doing? Your mum's stuck under a goalpost there. Funny. 11. 12. 13. What's up? Hold on. 14. 15. 16. 17. Ooh. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 50 minutes on the clock. So nice. Oh, there we go, man. So that foundational fitness is tough. It's really tough. It's a mental grind, definitely, because the later pumps obliterate you, especially the 5 pumps. The 5 pumps, I thought the Navy SEALs would be harder, but the 5 pumps are excruciating. So it's not really much of a cardio burn with that workout. I would say it's a muscle builder, definitely. You get your hit of cardio at the start with your 1-2 pumps. After that, it starts getting into muscle building territory. So it's a great workout to cover all bases, but it kind of veers towards the muscular zone. So that's definitely one I would try out. I'm not going to time this session, there's no point, because halfway through the wee man needed a nappy change. I could smell it, and I thought, I'm not letting him walk about in that, because that is absolutely reeking. It's reeking the house out. So the busy dad schedule, as Max Edwards will testify, having seen his video a couple of weeks ago when he did the Spartan 100 challenge. Sometimes you've got to roll with the kids. They will dictate the workout. But there is no excuses for not getting the work done. You can always find a way. I found a way, and the reason I found this training was because I had children. My children forced me to shake it up, and do you know what? It was the best thing that ever happened to me. Because my children are my priority. Training is a priority. And it's trying to fit the two with each other. And you've got to think outside the box at times. So any dads who are disheartened by their training schedule, no, make the most of it. You will probably find you can train harder because you'll have to train in shorter periods and add in more intensity. You will always leak intensity throughout a session that lasts more than an hour or so. You can't go in at the start, full bore, and end in the same energy level. It won't happen. You'll be bored, particularly lifting weights. Lifting weights is quite monotonous, let's be honest. That's what I tend to find. Burpees, chin-ups, dips, these are the avenue in which you will be able to apply hard work through easily. Like if you're doing a set of 50 squats like Emivas, total legend by the way, check his video out. That is going to put some spinal loading on you, and there's a fear factor involved of injury. You can't escape that. When you've got a heavy bar in your back, you're taking yourself to a dark place. Whereas the hard work through body weight, particularly burpees, is probably more safer in that respect, and it can allow you to channel your energy into really working hard without that fear of injury. And that's no disrespect to anybody that does barbell training. I get it. I've done it for years myself. But you need to find the vehicle for hard work, because it's the hard work that defines your results. Always remember, your hard work will dictate your results, not the program, not the style of training. It's how you buy into it and the application. The application being hard, solid work, which transports you to the dark place and encourages you to sustain that presence within that dark place. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to try and get more videos. It's quite hectic right now. Life's getting in the way, but that's the way it is. It's always raining outside. My workouts outside are very limited. I can't do this in a gym. So the Chateau de Burpee is the main focus for me with training in these videos right now. But I'm going to try and get some content. I've got an eating video that I'm going to try and put out. It's been requested by quite a lot of people. Not really my style of video because it's going to require editing. But do you know what? Needs must. Listen out for the Move, Sweat and Suffer podcast with me and my legendary brother in burpees, Joe Hotai. Always get over to Joe Hotai's channel. It is phenomenal. It is constant hard work. The guy puts everybody to shame. Everybody. He is the hardest working man in burpees. I've not seen anybody yet who works as hard as this guy. I see guys putting out 100 burpees a day, but Joe's putting out 300, 400, now he's adding weights, and the guy's a machine, and he's got 6 kids, and he is running 2 podcasts. The guy's a legend, so get over to Joe Hatai's channel as well. Also check out my man Fitness Frosso, who started using the weights. I'm really proud of that. Gave me a good shout out in his last video, so I'll reciprocate. The guy's eager to learn. He's a blank canvas when it comes to this stuff, so give him a bit of encouragement. He's trying to find his way around the kettlebell world. He's going to have to iron out a few wee sort of niggles and so forth, but he's going to get there because he's passionate. Anyway, like and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate the support. I really do appreciate it. It is absolutely fabulous. I appreciate all the comments. Always here to help people. You any questions, just ask. I will answer them because I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you get a return on your investment. Anyway, strong and conditioned. Take it easy. Bye.